Hey everyone, I'm Erica and welcome back to Rick's Review Hub, where we dive into the best gear to make your kitchen life awesome. Today, I'm super excited to talk about the Ninja Foodi Power Blender Ultimate System. If you're dreaming of smoothies, sauces, and more like a pro without the hassle, this all-in-one machine might be your perfect match. Stick around and grab it at the best price using the Amazon link in the description. Let's blend in. Let's break down the features that make the Ninja Foodi Power Blender Ultimate System stand out. This fully automatic system is designed for versatility with a 72-ounce pitcher for large batches. It has a powerful 1400 peak watt motor that handles ice, nuts, and veggies easily. The smart torque and detect technology adjusts power automatically for consistent blends. You get 12 programs including smoothie, frozen drink, ice crush, chop, puree, and extract plus manual controls. The tamper pushes ingredients down and the stack and snap assembly is quick. The leak-proof pitcher and dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup simple. It includes a 24-ounce to-go cup, 14-ounce bowl with chopping blade, dough blade, reversible disc, and recipe guide. The black and silver finish is sleek, and the 2023 model has enhanced sensors. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, this system is a fantastic value at around $200, offering a blender, processor, and more in one. The 1400-watt motor crushes ice smoothly, and the auto detect tech is beginner-friendly. Customers love the attachments. One reviewer said it replaces 3 appliances. The to-go cup is great for portability and cleanup is a breeze. It's quiet and versatile for smoothies, dough, or hummus with a 1-year warranty. On the con side, the large pitcher takes space and small batches need the cup. The plastic parts scratch over time and blades require careful cleaning. Some find the lid tricky at first and it's louder on high. So should you buy the Ninja Foodi Power Blender Ultimate System? Absolutely. If you want an all-in-one for smoothies and prep that saves space and time, it's perfect for busy cooks who need versatility. The power, attachments, and value make it a winner. Before I wrap up, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more reviews. If you're ready to upgrade, click the Amazon link in the description for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. It's an affiliate link, so your purchase supports the channel at no extra cost. Thanks for watching. If this review helped, please like, share, or subscribe. Let me know in the comments what kitchen gear you want next. Keep blending great drinks, and I'll see you in the next video.